Hey everyone, Trina here with day 45. Today we're going to do a little inkjet transfer here of this image. Maybe not all of it. I don't think I want all of it on there. Of course, I got way too much paint. So we're going to start with this sort of yellow ochre color. I'm going to cut this down because I don't want it to be that big. Okay, let's transfer just this little piece right here. Of course, I put out way too much paint. Oopsie. Okay. Ooh, that's kind of fun. Let's go in with the palette knife. I'm going to sort of scrape some of this away. We'll keep some of it in there. Why not? Add some texture to it. I don't think I want that much in there. As always, be careful when using palette knife on your jelly plate. It's always hard to tell with the lighter colors, like, what you get until you get it down there. Something's on my sprayer. Okay. Ooh, that was a good transfer. That's fun. Okay, I've got a little bit of Mars Black here. I really have to learn to put less paint on these things. It's like amazing how much paint I waste. Okay. Let's put this down. Count to 12. Ooh, very dark. Let's do some more lines through there because I kind of liked how that turned out. See if we get some color coming through there. Okay, I'm gonna put it right here. I may not use it all. Oh, I think I'll just use it all. That's fine. Oop, fingerprint. Pretty light, but I think it works. So I'm going to come in with a little bit of water here, slightly dirty water. Maybe not that much water. And I've got my Derwent Inktense blocks here. Oh, those are not the Inktense, but these are the Derwent Inktense blocks. I'm going to come in with the Payne's Gray one. And we're just going to make some marks through here. I'll bring it down a little bit. Okay. I'll come in with the color shaper. Oh, I might want some more water in there. That is not working quite how I thought it was going to work. Maybe it needs more water. I don't know. I thought it would be... Oh, there we go. It dries really fast. It wasn't like getting the marks I wanted to get. Come in with palette knife a little bit. I don't really like that spot there. Let's see what we can do there. If I got it wet, what happens? Ooh, it gets really dark. I just didn't like that thing that was there. It's okay, we can fix it. Okay, I didn't really like this thing I made here so much. So I'm gonna put some black over it. This is the ivory black, which is more of a sort of a sepia toned. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, that's better. I just didn't like, I don't know what I didn't like there, but I just didn't like it. So we'll change it. And then I think I want to come in and do some going across here. Do I want to keep going? Yes. Okay. Okay, I'm going to continue this down to the bottom because it looks kind of weird just like stopping there. Yeah, that's better. Okay, so I think I want to put some black through here. I promise I'm not going to cover it all up in black. I'm just thinking of the flow of it. It seems like it needed something going on there. I'm going to come back in with some more of that yellow ochre. I might be a little obsessed with this stencil today. Ooh, but I think that works. I think that works a treat. So I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Nico Azo. I'm not sure if that's what I want to do. Oh, I got a little bit on there. Oops. Maybe. You know what? Maybe it needs... I'm trying to think where I'm going to put it. Just needs a pop of another color through there, I think. I think I want to put some up here. It's looking very orange. Not sure how I feel about that. let's put a bit of this parchment or unbleached titanium. I don't know what I'm doing here right now. Oh, that's not terrible. What if we came in a bit with a palette knife? Gave it more texture. Ooh, that's fun. Okay, I'm gonna come in with a little bit more of this unbleached titanium through here. I made some marks down here that I really liked. So let's see if we can. I just thought those marks were really good. Yep. I'm gonna put a little bit of these yellow ochre marks through here. I didn't really do much, but I kind of like a little bit of it. Maybe bring it up. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's, oh, I don't know. We're just gonna title this one The Ladder Stencil Landscape. When in doubt, throw a ladder stamp on it. That didn't come out nearly as well as I thought it would, but that's all right. Okay, I think I'm done with this one. Okay, I like this part right here. I like these lines here. I like the black. It's got some pretty good layers going through it. I didn't really have any sort of plan today. So what I like about this is almost how print, it looks almost like just a printmaking kind of thing. I'm going to play with this idea more of monotyping on the Gelli plate and see where that takes us. I think that's a good, because that area is really nice, and so is this. I didn't print so well over here, but I think if I just did that on the Gelli plate without doing the transfer, it might work out a little bit better. But I really like that. I like what's going on there. The rest of it's okay. I don't know. I wasn't really feeling it today, but here's today's work. Let's see what it looks like with the mat. Looks a little better with the mat on it. I don't know. It's lacking something. I don't know what it is. Maybe more blue. Maybe that blue needs to come down. Overall, I think it's okay. It's not my best work, but I think it's okay. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Click over here to see yesterday's video. And I will see you tomorrow for day 46, maybe? Okay, thanks so much. Bye.